Hello mga guys, this is a fruit. Mixed fruit. Dalawang klase lang to guys, at saka mangga at saka melon. It's mango and melon. Come on, enjoy and let's eat. Dito naman tayo guys, please support my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the short video. At nag-I cook the basoy na lauoy na gulay. Thank you guys. Salamat Lord sa aming tanghalian na ulam ngayon. Salamat. Lubati, gulay, okra, salbasa, halo-halo, mix na gulay.